tap. I'm loving
2024 Land Rover Discovery Sport. Shoppers without a specific emotional attachment to a single brand are truly spoiled for choice in the compact luxury crossover segment, and for those looking for some off-roading prowess thrown into the mix, the Land Rover Discovery Sport sets itself apart with its admirable abilities. Standard all-wheel drive, along with the company's Terrain Response 2 system, will see the Discovery Sport confidently tackle terrain that would more easily trouble the BMW X3 and Mercedes-Benz GLC class. However, these German rivals have superior on-road manners and performance specifications, since the Disco is limited to a 246 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. That's not to say that the Land Rover isn't a comfortable, refined vehicle, and it also looks the part of the fashionable crossover. This year, a newly upgraded infotainment system increases the Disco's appeal, but a rather substantial price hike doesn't do the Brit any favors in this fiercely competitive class. 2024 Land Rover Discovery Sport changes. What's the difference vs the 2023 Discovery Sport? There are quite a few enhancements for the Discovery Sport this year. Outside, the classy SUV comes with new wheel designs, new gloss black detailing, and an updated gloss black grille. Versailles Blue is a new addition to the color palette this year. There are more impactful changes found inside, where a new 11.4-inch curved glass display replaces the previous 10-inch display. A new gear shifter, a standard digital instrument cluster, and a simplified center console design that provides more storage space are some of the other additions. Land Rover has also chosen to cut the number of trims down to 2, but the downside is a starting price that's higher than that of certain German rivals. Pros and cons. Classy exterior. Capable off-roading abilities. Upscale interior. Spacious seating in first 2 rows. Rides comfortably. Rather sluggish acceleration. Only one engine choice. Not the most affordable vehicle in its class. Below average gas mileage. What's the price of the 2024 Land Rover Discovery Sport? The new starting price of the 2024 Land Rover Discovery Sport is $48,900 MSRP for the S, excluding the destination charge of $1,175 in the USA. This makes it over $4,000 pricier than last year's entry-level model, which is quite an increase. The only other trim in the 2024 Discovery Sport range is the Dynamic SE, which begins at a cost of $53,100. 2024 Land Rover Discovery Sport handling and driving impressions. Don't let the sport in its name fool you. The Discovery Sport isn't the most thrilling vehicle to drive. It doesn't enjoy being hustled too hard through the corners, with noticeable body roll and nothing like the agility of a BMW X3. Perhaps it's just as well that the 246 HP engine isn't very powerful, as the chassis would likely feel taxed by a more potent mill. It's not all bad news, though. The new Land Rover Discovery Sport SUV delivers a comfortable and quiet ride, something that is of more importance to many customers in this segment, anyway. This makes it a good choice for longer trips out of the city with the family. And, when smooth pavement turns to dirt, the Discovery Sport elevates itself above the competition. Across slippery surfaces like snow, the Land Rover grips well, and the company's terrain response system can quickly adjust to varying conditions. This system includes modes for gravel and sand, and the Discovery Sport also comes with clever features like an off-road, low-speed cruise control system. As long as you don't expect many thrills on normal roads during your Land Rover Discovery test drive review, you'll likely find that it's an easy vehicle to live with. Verdict: is the 2024 Land Rover Discovery Sport a good SUV? Although it still has quite a dapper appearance inside and out, the Land Rover Discovery Sport has begun to show its age. Mostly, that pertains to its on-road performance, with its engine being neither as powerful nor as efficient as what is available in some competitors. It's still one of the best off-road vehicles in its segment, however, and feels as comfortable on the dirt as you can expect without resorting to Defender levels of capability. Both trims are well specified, although they need to be, considering that the Discovery Sport isn't exactly cheap. Land Rover's larger models still feel a cut above the Discovery Sport, but if you must have a compact luxury SUV that can also venture off-road, this is still worth a look. What 2024 Land Rover Discovery Sport model should I buy? We would be more than happy sticking with the base Discovery Sport S. It's not as sporty looking as the dynamic SE, but you can save $4,200 and still get all the features that count as standard. We'd have ours in one of the $950 metallic shades and perhaps consider the more stylish 19-inch wheels at $1,050. Besides that, there isn't much more we'd add to this compact crossover, and even with these extras, the S still comes in cheaper than the dynamic SE.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.